everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the March BoxyCharm. If I sound a little less hypoo in this video than I am in my other videos, it's because my head is killing me. I think I slept on it wrong. So from like here all the way down to like here on my neck, it just hurts so bad. So I'm trying to deal with that, which it's not first world problems, it's not that bad. But we are going to be opening this month's BoxyCharm. If you do not know, I have BoxyCharm, and for every 3 months you get a thing called BoxyLuxe, so that is what this baby is going to be. So for every month they give you a regular box, and then for 3 months they give you this thing called BoxyLuxe if you have subscribed to that. But we're gonna go ahead and open it, so if you'd like to see the unboxing video, then just keep on. Information on BoxyCharm before we get started. This baby right here, the regular BoxyCharm, is $21 a month, and it is packed with a bunch of like name brand things that you actually know and love. I'm not affiliated in any part, like I'm not affiliated at all with this brand. I pay for these with my own money. I'm not sponsored by them. I just think this is a really good service because they give you all full size items, and they're actually things that you would really want. So things from like Tarte, Too Faced, Cover FX, Wander Beauty, they've given us a lot of stuff. I'm trying to think of other things, but I know there's way more than that, but it's just a really good subscription service. And then the BoxyLuxe that's shipped out every 3 months is $50. So if you want to do that, you can do that, or if you want to get the regular BoxyCharm every single month, then it's $21. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this baby up. I've actually not even opened it. It is still taped up right here, so we're gonna, I've got my knife, so we're gonna go ahead and undo this. Done. Now, I think I kind of know what is in this box. I'm not entirely sure because I did see a few spoilers earlier on in the month, but I haven't been keeping up with it the entire time. So I'll go ahead and show you first. Do you see anything? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. This one is called Withy in Rose. Very pretty. And this is the card right here, and then it does show everything that you got on the back. I don't want to look at that right now because I want to be surprised. And it looks like this is actually a makeup bag. I didn't actually know we were going to be getting this month, and it looks really cute. Oh, this is actually adorable. I think every time for BoxyLuxe they give you like a free little something or another. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like this rose gold. It looks brown on camera, but it's actually not very brown. It's kind of like this rose gold color. Oh yeah, how cute! And it says BoxyCharm on the front here, like inside, and it's just a little makeup bag. It's pretty big size, so I could think it would probably fit a few nice things because it seems to be like a travel bag. So that is the first thing we got. And then here's all the products, you guys. So let's go ahead and just pick up with what I see on top here. I see these right here. These are called Lily Lashes, and these are in the style Gaia. Here's what they look like right here. These actually look like lashes that I would be 100% down to wear because I do like the ones that are a little more spaced out and fluffy instead of ones that are like super compacted together and that like block your eyeshadow when you wear it. This is the limited edition lashes faux mink, and here is the name of it. You may not be able to see it. I think it's called Gaia or Gia. But these look actually really promising. I'm very happy about those. Next in the box here we have this iconic London eyebrow cushion. Okay, so this is an eyebrow cushion, and it's meant to do your eyebrows, I reckon. But here is what the packaging looks like. It looks really cute. It looks quite luxe. Please excuse my nails. I know they look terrible. I took my press-on nails off last night, so they're looking kind of rough right now. And then taking this out of the box here, here's what she looks like. It's in like a rose gold, really reflective packaging. And then opening this up here. Oh! The whole thing comes off. I didn't know that. Oh my goodness. And these actually look like... Okay, so look at this. Has anybody else seen this? This looks kind of like green. I don't know. My eyebrows are definitely not green. But here's what it looks like right here. So you have the little... they give you a little spoolie and a little applicator brush here. And then opening this up, here is what it looks like. I've never used something like this, so I am very excited to try it out and give it a shot and see what I think. I currently use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil to do my brows, but I'm excited to give this a shot and try this out and see what I think, because it is quite strange. And I've never seen anything like that before, so try new things. Really nice. Next up, I see this Becca Ultimate Lipstick, and I'm always down to get lipstick. This is in the shade Mauve, and here is what it looks like. First off, it is this really pretty packaging. It's Becca. I've used their highlighters before, and I think their highlights are great. Here is what this one looks like. Here is the little bullet, and then, ooh, that's a really pretty shade. I would 100% wear this shade. I think this is gorgeous. Let me give it a little swatchy poo for you. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I'm not a really huge fan of like actual lipsticks because I feel like they transfer really bad, and I have a harder time like lining my lips properly with an actual lipstick, but I'm very excited to give this a shot. I love getting lipsticks. I love trying new lip colors, so this one will be on my radar to try next. Next up I see here, oh my god! These are nail polishes. I freaking love nail polish, you guys. Holy crap, this is happy. This is happy. This is exciting. These are by the brand Deborah Lippmann. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks like there's 2 polishes in here. And are they mini polishes? They could be like minis. They are. They're like mini polishes. And man, look at these. These look like really super fancy. I don't know what shade. This one is called O'Donna. Yeah, O'Donna right here. This one is a really pretty kind of like a nude pink color with some sparkle in it. And then this one right here is called Modern Love. And this one is a really, really nice dusty pink color. So it looks really nice. So that is a pleasant surprise. I had no idea that these were going to be in there, so that is freaking awesome. Very happy about that. Oh, next up in the box here, we have these 2 brushes by the company called Moda, and I knew these were going to be in there. I actually forgot about them, but I saw them before. The box is a little wrecked. I don't know what happened to that, but it does look like this is a powder brush and a highlighter brush. So I've never heard of this brand before, like I said, so let's go ahead and see. Ooh, you got, man, these are soft as crap. So here is what this one looks like right here, and it is a really, really giant highlighter brush. I mean, this is wild. If you try to highlight with this, like, that's huge. I mean, it's so soft, like it's incredibly soft. And here is the powder brush. And I may actually use this one for, ooh, I can actually use it for powder. Yeah, that's fine. Well, that's what you're supposed to use it for, duh. But I may use it for like maybe bronzer or something like that. And then this one I can maybe use to like dust bake off with, or I don't know, I'll try it as highlighter and see what I think. But it's just very, very big, and like, look at this. It's very flimsy. I like brushes like that. But yeah, we got these 2 brushes. Can't wait to use these and try them out. Next up we have here, oh my gosh, you guys, I was so happy when they first announced this. This is by IT Cosmetics, and it is Confidence in a Cream. This is anti-aging, Amore, rejuvenating concentrate. I think it's moisturizer. It says transforming moisturizing super cream for all skin types, and I have heard so much about this. I've heard that it's so good. It is heavy. It is so heavy, and yeah, I think this is literally just moisturizer. Or you could use it as maybe like a spot treatment if you're very dry somewhere. Oh yeah, but here is what it looks like right here. It looks super luxe and super nice, so I am very excited to give this a shot. I cannot wait. What the directions say, apply to clean skin in the morning and evening. Yeah, wherever skin needs moisture. So yeah, pretty much a moisturizer. Cannot wait. I'm hyped about that now. Getting down to the last few things here. This is by Wonder Beauty. This is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Here's what she looks like right here. I have actually seen other people use this before, and I thought it looked really cute. So I'm so glad that we're getting it in this month's box, and it's just a peel off mask. I actually have been needing some more masks to use, not like sheet masks, because God knows I have too many of them, but I want like another like actual mask to use, like a peel off one or one that you can wash off, just anything like that. And I'm so excited to use this one. I'm going to use this maybe like tonight or something. I don't know yet. And then the last two things we have right here, I see something from Morphe, and this is the 15D Day Slayer eyeshadow palette. Now, I do know that they had a few options, and I don't think that I have this one. There is one that I do have, and it's called like the Happy Hour palette. I think that's the one that I have. It's called Happy Hour, and I was just like, oh man, I hope I don't get that one again because I want to try something new, and I don't think I have this one. The 15D, I do. Oh my god, I don't have this at all, and these are really, really gorgeous shades. These are very warm tone, very, very orange. So here's what they look like right here. They're very gorgeous, really, really pretty shades, and I don't wear too much orange, but I am so like down to try this out. This shade right here called Blend looks stunning. I love that one. And then this one up here called Bronze Beauty, 100% up my alley with this one. I love it. Even this one right here, gorgeous. So I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with this and try this out and see what I think, because I love Morphe shadows. I think they're really, really good. So yeah, there's that. And then lastly, but certainly not least, there is a Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Now, one thing I will say, this did not come in a box. I don't know why it didn't come in its actual like a unicarton. That's really weird to me. It came wrapped up like this, like this Morphe palette right here. It's in its actual like box. It's in its actual unicarton, as to where this is not. I don't know if like they were packing this up and like damaged the box and couldn't get another one, so this is super weird for it to just be like laying in there like this. I don't know, but here's what it is. It is from Cover FX. I love Cover FX. I've used their setting powder and I love that a lot. This one is the medium to light, or light to medium palette. Awesome, awesome. And it's kind of like a face palette. So, ooh, yeah, this is super pretty. So here's what it looks like right here. It has a highlighter, two highlighters, a contour, a blush, a brightener, and finishing powder. I don't know what a finishing powder or a brightener means, but here are all the shades and what they look like. These two highlighters at the top here look absolutely beautiful. Let me actually try swatching them for you really quick and I'll see. They look like they're gonna be a bit light. Like they're gonna be like, ooh, not that one. That one looks like wild. All right, so here are what they look like right here. This one is the one at the top left, and then this one is the other one. They look really nice. I'm excited to try it out, and will probably more than likely use this as like a bronzer shade because I don't really contour. I just don't really know how to, but I think this is really, really nice. So that's everything that was in the box, you guys. Let me actually grab the little sheet right here, and I'll tell you what everything is worth. So the Cover FX palette right here was $45, so that's wild. And then the Moda brushes right here, these retail for $29.99. And then the iconic, I can't talk. The Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion retails for $40. Really? Dang. So here is that one right here, that eyebrow cushion. So $40. And then the Wonder Beauty Peel Off Mask right here is $35. And then these Lily Lashes right here are $24.99. And then the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream is $48. And the Becca Ultimate lipstick right here is $24. The Morphe eyeshadow palette is $16. The Deborah Lippmann nail polishes duo right here is $20. And then the BoxyCharm case right here, the makeup bag, is $20 as well. So you guys, that is bringing our total value to $302.98. And let me tell you right now, I paid $50 for all of this stuff. So you guys, this has been my BoxyLuxe unboxing this month. I cannot again tell you how much I love this company. I love this box. I think this is honestly the best beauty subscription box on the market, and I think it's really, really good. I think it's really worth your money. But yeah, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!